Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love adding interactive elements to your website, you're going to enjoy this one. In this tutorial, we'll create a smooth and stylish slider effect in Wix Studio. It's a super easy way to add some movement to your design. Let's get started. First, go to Wix Studio. We'll start by creating a gradient background. You can change the gradient type and customize the colors. Next, go to Header Settings and set Scroll Effect to disappear. This keeps the menu hidden while scrolling. And choose Next Section for smooth transitions. Go to Add Elements and add an image. Resize it. This will be our text element. Back to Add Elements, go to Layout Tools and then select Slideshow Repeaters. Choose this one. Open Layers and remove the default image and text. Then, remove the background color from both the repeater and the item. Now add an image and resize it. Replace it with the gradient image. Next, add an image of a motorcycle. This will be our main object. Resize it to fit the design. Let's add another gradient image. Now insert a paragraph and adjust its position. You can move the slider arrows down, resize them, and customize the colors for a better user experience. Now duplicate the text image, replace it with the outlined version, and place it in front of the repeater. Now repeat the same steps for the second and third slider items. And once it's done, return to the first one and add an animation to the gradient image. Choose Mouse Effects. Select the track animation and adjust it. Now click on the motorcycle image and add the track animation to it as well. Set the movement axis to horizontal. And click Publish. And that's it! You've just created a stunning slider effect in Wix Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. More exciting content is coming soon, so make sure you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.